This is an ExperienceWorks website training video. We're going to talk about, under our impact, adding participant and partner stories. Right now I'm on the participant story page. If I go to the edit page back here to look at the back end, I'm not going to see anything really except that it has the type of stories that we're showing selected. In this case, it's participant. If I were to click on the partner stories, then I'd see partner selected. That's really what this page is for, to add stories or edit existing ones. I actually need to go to the stories section. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Close some of these other tabs meanwhile. Alright, so what I'd want to do is find the story that I'm looking for. And it says whether it's partner or participant. If I wanted to edit one, I would just go ahead and click on it. And very clearly, let's go to, okay. So what I see when I click on the participant story, the partner story page is programmed. All I can do there is just select which group of stories I'm showing. So there really shouldn't be any reason to change these exact pages. Now the stories themselves. So here I'm on this page. I can see that that title is showing right here. I can see that my picture is showing right here. I would recommend that whatever I'm going to put in here, it is going to get shrunk down to this width. So this tends to work a little better so A, this picture doesn't need to be too big, and B, it works pretty well as a landscape. I can add a feature image here, which would put a larger picture over here as well, which we can see like in this one, for example. And this is going to, again, work better as a landscape photo. Like with on the left side here, with these longer stories, on this side I could definitely get away with a portrait orientation, obviously, because there's all this white space. But on the right side here, I definitely need a landscape. Now let's go back to that story. So next thing I've got is their quotation, which is going right here. And then there's the story itself, which is this here. Just says content. So that's here. These come up automatically. So I just need to make sure that I have those filled out. And then on the right here, make sure I have partner or participant selected so that it shows up on the page. If I don't have either of these selected, it's not going to show. As far as adding a story, I can just add new, and then I would fill out these fields, make sure I've got a title, at least a small image on the left, if not a small image on the left and a larger image on the right. I'd make sure that one of these partner participant is selected. Pull out a quote, and then have the actual story content. And then when I'm done, if I'm updating a story, I'd click update. If it's a new story that I haven't saved yet, then this will say publish. And then I will see it here. And that is adding and updating partner and participant stories.